What's up? We're down here today, fishing to catch some white bass. The creek's up a little bit, just to have some fun and have a good time.
Oh, damn. I get the smallest of the day.
Oh, I missed one.
All right, I'm filming now.
Okay. I got 3 bites. There's some in there. Just another good one. Here's that.
Yeah.
They sure do pull good.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good size.
Oh.
Good size white right there. That's pretty.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I did have him. But dang, on 2 throws, I got 3 bites. I just didn't catch him.
I missed 2.
Man, that's a good one. Next time I'll bring my better rig.
That's a good one?
It's decent.
Yeah, he's pretty decent.
Come here, buddy.
And you know, they could be just in this deeper flow here and not real active up shallow like it was.
Yeah.
He's not big, but he's not little. So.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of in between, but it's still a fish. Well,
We are having a ball. Mom's done got one.
Did you do that, Dana?
Mm-hmm.
It worked.
That's a little one.
Hmm?
He's pulling hard though.
I'm gonna try that winding and see what that does. You know, if this was a good day instead of the day after front, there's no telling what we'd do right here.
Yeah. Here, little buddy.
I think this is another small one, but hey, they're fun to catch. They don't have to be.
I got one too.
They don't have to be real big.
Yeah.
And they pull good.
There's another one.
Yeah,
I wonder how many of them are up there.
no telling. And like I said, if it was a 3 days after the front cleared out, we probably couldn't get our bait back right there.
He whirled at it.
You get a bite? Well, we caught 3 or 4 right through there. I think I need to.
It's a little brim.
Yeah. I think I need to go kind of back the same way I came. And
Ooh.
you dog line.
You get a piece of meat off him.
Man, that'd be a good little fry him up.
Yeah.
You talking about good.
That's a good one.
Yeah. the reason why right there. See how big he is?
Mm-hmm.
That's the reason he pulls so hard. A couple of pounds.
Yeah.
If I hit bottom or I'm hitting bottom, I guess. I only got a bite there for a minute.
I did.
You a bite? Well, I thought I got a bite, and I bet you I did.
Come here, brother.
Don't let him see you, because he'll think the student's teaching the master.
That's a good one, Zach.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we didn't really fish this out.
No.
I'm gonna get us a little further away from it here. That's another pretty good one for you. He's not wanting to come up.
I just picked up and had one.
Down there. Let me get this in. You can have this one off. Damn, what a big one, Zach. No wonder I couldn't get him some. Look.
Oh my, that's a drum.
Oh, it is a drum. Well, I'll be darned. Yours wasn't a drum, was it?
I don't know, it may be. This is a big one too.
Heck of a fish right there. You know how them old drums.
Hey, get the dip net. What is that?
Maybe
That's a damn catfish.
Here.
I caught a catfish.
They may want that catfish.
Look at there. Get him, get him. A catfish on a jig.
Here you go.
Look at that.
They may want that catfish.
Get this and I'll help you. No, I ain't gonna fool with him.
I said them.
Yeah. Well, let me get my pliers.
Let me take a picture of that drum. Yeah.
Hey, it's fun to catch.
Here. There you go. All right.
Let me see if I can help you there, Zach.
Thank you, buddy.
A drum and a catfish. And I thought we done got into the whites there. I told Dana to throw up there. You want this catfish?
I don't think I heard you.
No.
I thought this hollering at us.
Oh, damn it, I missed one.
Can't believe I caught a catfish on a jig.
Pretty double?
Yeah.
We got us a double right here.
Let me get in there and see if I can get one.
Nah, you go ahead and stay up. You go ahead and stay up there.
Well, I'll be on.
This one.
Oh, come undone.
Well, I forgot to check that part in.
There you go. Oh,
Sorry.
Swivel it. So you need to hold it still.
she's got one. Oh, I missed one right here.
You get one?
Yeah, she's got one.
I can feel now. Ooh.
Yellow?
It almost looks like a yellow bass. Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
yellow bass.
Hey, those are good to eat.
That's what it looks like.
I'll tell you what, I like eating these.
Yeah, we've had a few before. They're decent.
Full of eggs.
Yes.
Yellow bass.
Yeah. I've never really
Beautiful little sucker.
understood them. I guess they're like a white bass. I guess they come up here and run like they do. But
I never even thought for a second it was a drum. See, I didn't wind that at all, and that's where you hit that, Zach. I was jigging it right up to the boat.
yeah.
Right there's where I caught them boom balls out.
Yeah.
And I've seen the
I
line.
missed one. Dadgummit.
I've seen the line turn
That's twice.
One hit it, and I was too late on it.
There he went.
Get him?
Maybe right.
That's where I caught
That's
that.
twice. He's
Something
not real
about this
big.
spot right here they like.
It's a little bitty fella. Well, had a good time at the lake this evening. Caught a bunch of white bass, probably 40 or 50. Just getting a lot of rain this weekend, like 3 inches. Water's gonna come back up. Gonna wear them out. You can subscribe and, yep,